Hi there, I just wanted to talk to you today about our insider partner for the month of July, which is Going Green Solutions, but more specifically about their beeswax wraps, which I totally love. This is, amazing. I love the colours, apart from anything else, but they're very, very tricky and handy to have in your kitchen. So it eliminates the use for plastic wrap in terms of what you can wrap with it. For example, I really like using it with my sourdough starter. So if you've lost a lid or something, you warm them up. It's actually a fabric that's been sort of infused with beeswax and other things, like a resin and some coconut oil or whatever, depending on the recipe. It doesn't smell like honey or anything. And it warms up at with your hand temperature, and then it'll seal really well, but it breathes. So it's made from a fabric, obviously, like I just said, and it'll breathe. So this is great for sourdough, for example, because you do need the air to get through. And then for wrapping up anything, so like you've got the kids only want half an apple, but you don't want to throw that out, you don't want to eat it yourself, just wrap it up. And this will keep for a couple of weeks without oxidizing. It's amazing, really, really clever. And then like things like cheese, I think I'm going to need the big one for this. Well, I might make it I think I'll need the big one. So I've put cut pumpkin in, or cabbage, or half a lettuce, or anything like that, and just wrap it like you would anything else. Warm it up with your hands if it's not sort of folding in well, and just cover it up, and literally that will help it keep for months longer, like weeks longer, maybe months, depends on the product that's going in there. I had cut pumpkin wrapped in this one actually for about probably a month, and it was still perfect when I unwrapped it. So they're really fantastic. I really like them. You can get lots and lots of different sizes. Obviously they come in a pack with Going Green Solutions. I'll put the link in the on the video, and go and have a little look. And if you're an Insider Club at the moment, this month you get 25% off on a special pack. So it's time to join me and get some fun stuff.